What's up, Ghana? What's up, Nigeria? What's up, Africa? What's up, the whole world? Americas, United Kingdom, wherever you are watching this video right now, how are you doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are enjoying these buildings I'm showing you. This is the resident houses where people actually lives. This is not a hotel. This is not a somewhere else. This is actually a person's home, a people's houses. Look at designs, look at buildings, look at how beautiful they are. Oh my goodness. This place is actually located in Ghana, but it's not in Accra. It's not in Accra, Ghana, but somewhere else. So if you know Ghana very well, how well do you know Ghana? Do you know Ghana only in Accra? I'm here to take you to other places you need to know about Ghana, not only in Accra. Some people might say that, this guy always talking about not in Accra, not in Accra. What has Accra done to you? No, my dear, Accra did not do anything to me at all. And in fact, I can't even wait to showcase beautiful places in Accra. Accra did not do anything to me at all. But the reason why you started seeing me doing this kind of videos, showing you good places, nice projects in other regions different from Accra, is because I want to prove somebody a point. I want to prove one of my friends a point. He will use it to learn his lesson. Yes, one of my friends is from Accra. Yes, he's an Accra guy. He always talk about Accra and talk little about other places in Ghana. So when he heard that I'm in Ghana, then he said that, oh, where are you in Ghana? And I told him that I am in Kumasi. He was like, so he came all the way from Nigeria to Ghana, and it is in Kumasi that you decided to stay. What is there in Kumasi? What is happening in Kumasi? Is there anything there in Kumasi? He goes on to say that some of your people, they always come to Ghana. It is in Accra they will stay. Why are you in Kumasi? And I told him, oh, forget. Some Nigerians are also in Kumasi. He said, those people are the people doing businesses. There are some businesses they are doing. That's why they stay there. But you are a tourist. So why are you Kumasi as a tourist? He's in Accra, he's supposed to stay, not Kumasi. What is there in Kumasi? The one that he said that burst my brain is that he said that Accra is the Ghana you have been hearing. You have been hearing about Ghana. It is Accra that is the Ghana that you have been hearing all the while. I was like, what is this guy saying? Like, seriously, that one burst my brain, guys. I now started seeing the reason why I'm doing this video. I'm doing video just because of one person, just to prove this person a point. Because he said that there's nothing in Kumasi here, that why am I going there to stay? He was surprised. Like, he was saying it with a full chest too. This one is not that he was joking saying it. No. With his full chest, like he meant what he was saying. I was telling him that you say there's nothing in Kumasi, or let's say you say that there's nothing in Ashanti region of Ghana. It's only in a greater Accra that there's things happening there. Because little wonder YouTubers, many YouTubers from Nigeria, many YouTubers from Kenya, YouTubers from diasporas, they always go to Accra. So if you check videos on YouTube, you're always seeing people talking about places in Accra. They barely talk about Ashanti regions, they barely talk about Eastern region, they barely talk about Western regions, they barely talk about other regions, So they always talk about Accra. So many people always believe that Accra is only the Ghana. Accra is the Ghana we're supposed to know. You get, whenever we hear about Ghana, we're supposed to focus or put our attention on Accra. So that is why I have started doing this kind of video, just to prove that person. He is watching this video. No man, he is watching. You are there watching, right? Looking at my eyes. Yes, I want to prove you a point. That is why I'm doing all these videos. I will continue to prove you a point, continue to prove you this point until you right those wrong sayings of yours. But until then, I will continue to prove you so many points that there's something going on in other regions of Ghana, and I will continue to prove you that Accra is not only Ghana we're supposed to know. If this guy says that Accra is one of the Ghana we know, then it will be well understandable. He gets like one of. then we also know that there's other places that's also that we should know as Ghana too. But you say that Accra is the Ghana we're supposed to know. You get that? So meaning that other regions, other places in Ghana, they are not Ghana. So are you now seeing the reason why I'm doing this? So I have no issue with Accra. No, I have no issue with Accra. I can't, as I said earlier, I can't wait to come to Accra also to showcase beautiful places, beautiful sites in Accra. And I'm not here to drag about who started those projects. Any project I'm showing you guys, I'm not here to drag who started the project, whether it's Nana Akufo-Addo started it and John Mahama finished it up, or whether John Mahama started it up and Akufo-Addo finished it up. I'm not here to drag that one, because I used to see people in the comment section, especially on TikTok, the video I posted on TikTok, saying that it is Mahama that started this project and it's not Akufo-Addo. They're dragging about this. I'm not here for that one, please. The purpose of the video is actually to prove you a point that there's many things going on, good things going on in other places of Ghana, not only in Accra, that kind of thing. I just want to prove so many people point. And I know that Accra guys, Accra girls, Accra ladies will always believe on that point too, that Accra is the Ghana we're supposed to have on our mind or supposed to know. So this video is to prove point and right that wrong sayings. Hope you're enjoying these buildings I'm showing you. Is in Kumasi here, Ashanti Vision. Just take a look, be using your eyes and be looking at these buildings. Oh my goodness. So some people, whenever they want to show Kumasi, they will only show the old buildings, thinking that it's only the old buildings that is in Kumasi. No, there's nowhere old buildings doesn't exist. We have old buildings in London. We have old buildings in America. Yes, we have old buildings. There's nowhere there's no old buildings. We call it ancient houses, houses that have stayed for long. Kumasi try to preserve their ancient houses, their old buildings. In this Kumasi, you see building that is not your age mate at all. Building that have built for long, like 90s, 80s, 70s, for ancient houses. So Kumasi, they try to preserve those ancient houses. Go to London, you see ancient buildings, they preserve them. So that doesn't make that place a village, because of those ancient buildings in Kumasi here, people showcasing it, people always show it, old buildings. In other words, they are now saying that Kumasi is a village. No, that doesn't make a town a village. Old buildings or ancient buildings doesn't make a place a village. Please be wise up. So apart from all these old buildings, there are also new and in fact magnificent buildings in Kumasi here. So these places, this area are full of nice buildings where people live. This is where the rich people come and hide themselves. It's not only rich people are living here, even people without money, you can live here too. You can buy a land, build your house here, live here comfortably. You can see the houses some people are still building. Yes, this is the resident buildings, resident houses. You see these ones, they are under constructions. Are you watching what I'm showing you right now? They are under constructions, guys. People are building it to live inside. You see, so tell me now, after they build this house now, look, without, they have not finished building it too, but look at how beautiful it is now without finished building it. So you just imagine when this house fully built now. Just imagine how beautiful it look. In fact, look at other places. Look at other houses that they have already built. They have already finished buildings. Look at how beautiful they are. Let me know in the comment section how you see it. Look at this hotel now. Look at this hotel. Formerly, it was Golden Tulip. Yes, formerly Golden Tulip. Now they have changed the name. You see the name they have changed now. You see their new name now. You see, look at up there. Look at up there. You see the new name they have changed now. So this kind of hotel can only stay in a rich place. Yes, they can't build this kind of hotel in a place whereby it's not rich area is because Kumasi or Ashanti region is a rich place. That is why they were able to build this kind of hotel here. So any place you go and you see this kind of a hotel in that area, respect that place. So because this hotel can never be in any how place. You can never, it's in Accra. Yes, I know it's in Accra. Yeah. So for you to also know that this kind of hotel too is also here. All these houses, all these buildings with good designs I'm showing you, they are all resident house where people are living. Can you see this kind of buildings in Accra? Can you see this kind of buildings in Accra? Buildings like this. I have done a drone shot of this place. I have come to this place before. This is not my first time of coming to this place to film. Yes, I have filmed this place. If you want to watch the drone shot, yes, the drone footage of this place, I will drop the link of the video in the description box below. I was the one that took the video by myself with my drone. Yes, so this time around I'm showing you, the buildings one by one after another. Are you seeing how beautiful this place is? So anytime you come to Kumasi, try to come to this place. This place is called Danyame. Yes. So sorry, I forgot to tell you the location, the area. It's situated in Kumasi here. It is at Danyame. Yes. Just follow Edum. By bypass, then you come to Danyame. It's close to Edum. Yes, if you know Edum, Edum is a town. Yes, Edum is a town in Kumasi. Yes, whenever you come to Kumasi, they will tell you town. I'm going to town in Kumasi. Say yes, it is Edum. So Danyame is close to the Edum. The resident house, resident place that people can build their house and stay with their families, build their house and also rent it out for people to stay. It's a resident community, resident place. So stop showing only old buildings, saying that they know Kumasi as old buildings. No, in UK they preserve old buildings, ancient houses. So why Africa, if Africa preserve their own houses, their ancient houses, you are not seeing it as a village because it's ancient house or it's old house, you are now calling it a village. No, that is a wrong narrative, guys. So that is why I'm showing these areas. It's not only this place, so there are many places here in Kumasi, Ashanti region that has buildings like this, and even building that is more than like this one. This one I'm showing itself is even smaller to compare to other places, other ones that in other places. If I start showing you, in fact, your brain go bust. All these resident houses I'm showing you guys cannot find it in resident houses in Accra. Don't prove me wrong. Yes, I'm telling you with my full chest. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment section. If I'm right, let me know in the comment section. We are talking about resident houses, so we're not talking about buildings like hotels. Hotels is plenty in Accra. We're not talking about buildings like banks or head office or headquarters buildings. We're not talking about those ones. We're talking about resident houses where people are living and laying their head. Prove me wrong. If this place I'm showing you now, all these houses here in Kumasi, you can find it in resident houses in Accra. Can you? Don't be saying that what is there is that no content over there in Kumasi. There's no content. The only way you can see good content is in Accra. I know Accra, there's content to create in Accra. Well, don't tell me that it's only in Accra. Alright guys, we are friends. Accra did not do anything to me, okay? Yes, me and Accra, we are not fighting at all. I'm just trying to prove some points. So guys, if you find these places I've just showed you interesting, let me know in the comment section what you'd feel about it. If you find this video interesting, also give it a like, give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you're going to notify anytime I upload a new video, so you'll be the first one to get notification. So thank you for watching this video and stay blessed. Bye for now.